Hey, yellow, welcome to the basement. We have quite the conundrum today. I had a bunch of people over for the holiday, and guess what? The sewer line backed up. Fantastic news. So I tried to snake it out and fix it and be a hero, and then I broke the snake off inside the drain. And it's still there, and now we're gonna see if we can take this PEX tubing and get it out. Wish us luck. Here we go. Alright, so we're here, the main culprit drain. This is the floor drain inside the laundry room. And basically this is where I put the snake in to try to clear the drain and where it broke off. I have what's left of it. So basically I yanked on the snake right here, and you can tell that normally a snake looks more like this. But what happens sometimes with these smaller snakes is they get these weak spots in them like this, and they kink up a little bit easier, and that's what had happened down inside the drain. It ended up getting twisted up, tried to pull it out, it would not come out, so I hooked it up to the drill, gave her the old 1-2, and it snapped off. So what we're going to use here is, see, I've got my phone and I've got a borescope here. This is from Klein Tools. So Klein Tools makes this. Works out pretty well. Paid about 40 bucks for this from a big box store. Basically this just allows me to see down into the drain and kind of see where the snake is all jumbled up, coagulated up, stuck in a bad spot. So we'll do that. We'll put this in there, then we'll go over to the main clean out, and that's where we'll stick the tool that I'll show you here in a minute that I made. So let's shove this in there. Alright, floor drain time. Got my phone set up here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna throw this into the drain. Oh, there it is. What is happening down there? Alright, so here's what I ended up doing with the PEX tubing. I fashioned this hook here that I plan on grabbing the snake with. This is just some old wire that I found around the house. Pretty sturdy. I drilled a hole through the side and then another one here, and then just hose clamped it together. So let's see if we can get this down the hole. Ready? Alright, bombs away. You can see I've got my, maybe you can't see it, I've got the camera set up. Let's see if we can get down there. Oh, something's moving. It can't be this easy. Oh, I don't think I can show this on YouTube. Oh, gross. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's... I hope you can't see this. Oh, that is so gross. That hook worked perfectly, though. First try. No way that ever happens. There, so I cleaned it up a little bit, but you could see the mess that we got into. That's what was blocking the drain down there. So let's pull out the rest of it. Oh, that smells so good, guys. Woo! There it is. I'm gonna go throw up and burn my skin and these clothes. I got a pretty strong stomach, but this is... Oh. Okay. Alright guys, real quick recap. Let's take the W on that one. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Pretty crazy. Every once in a while something works out. It was a project a couple days in design and concept. first I tried a long piece of wood trim that snapped off in the drain. So I had more stuff in the drain, which is not ideal. I understand that. Luckily, an 8-year-old arm could reach through and pull it out because my thick hands wouldn't get there. So having large hands sometimes has its downfalls. I don't know what that means. So anyway, just want to recap a couple things. So I used the Klein Tools borescope, inspection camera, whatever you want to call it. Let's do a quick look at that real quick. So you can see here it is on the phone. I have it set up on this little tripod. Hello, 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 hello. And you can see over here there is a dial, and that controls the brightness of the LED. I'm not sure a situation where you would ever need to turn that down, but I had it on full blast the entire time. Here's kind of a quick look, and this is kind of tough to see. Maybe I should turn the light off for that. Ooh, look at the light. So I apologize that it's still kind of dirty. So there's a good look at the end of it. My biggest complaint with this is you'll see around the rim, try not to block the light, but there is a little lip that really likes to collect stuff as you're pushing it down a dirty pipe. And so that'll collect right on that lip and it'll block the camera. So you got to pull the camera out, rinse it off with some water, and dry it off with a paper towel. So that's my biggest complaint. You can see pretty good quality here as you're looking through my cell phone. This is a Samsung, so this is just for Android devices. I'm not sure if they have anything for iPhone. Oh, I think we need some light. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. Hello. This thing was in poop, and now it's right by my face. That's disgusting. Well, anyway, so back to the drain. So how we got in this situation is I put the snake into this smaller diameter pipe here, which runs about 4 feet before it runs into the main sewer line, which runs right over here. Is it makes that little jog off to the left, to the left. That left, it goes left, and when it goes left, that's where we had our problems. When you turn the handle on a snake drain, if you get one of these smaller diameter ones, they tend to fold up at any weak spot. So just a heads up with that. Here's kind of a look. When they get these little kinks in them, these little bends, this becomes a weak spot. And when you're putting a lot of torque on there, that's where it's going to give way. So basically what it did is just wound up on itself, got stuck there, would not come back out the smaller diameter drain. Ended up breaking off, so that's why we went out to clean out drain. In conclusion, my advice to anyone who has to clean out a drain, if you have access to your clean out drain, it's spooky down here. If you have access to your clean out drain, go through there. I want to itch my face, but my gloves are gross. So go through your clean out. Should be 4-inch pipe, a lot easier to get through than these smaller ones that might be running a floor drain. So something to keep in mind. I don't know why I'm not sure why I'm out of breath. I guess I'm overweight. That's it. So that's going to do it for today. If you have this problem in the future, something to look to. Hopefully it works out. I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I figured it out, got the job done, and I'm pumped. And on that note, remember, keep your mug full. We'll catch you next time. Have a great time. What? Have a great time? What is that? I need a catchphrase. Keep your mug full and have a great time. No. And keep your mug full. We'll see ya later. Bye.